नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेपर्टरी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। दिस इज माय सेशन नंबर 15. Today's topic is relation between the repertory, materia medica, organon of medicine. There are relation between the materia, organon and repertory. रिपर्टरी के बिना मटेरिया मेडिका अधूरी है, ऑर्गनन के बिना रिपर्टरी अधूरी है और मटेरिया मेडिका के बिना ऑर्गनन अधूरा है। तीनों का एक दूसरे से कोरिलेशन है। As mentioned in the aphorism number 3 in organon, that the physician must have the knowledge of disease, knowledge of medicine, and also how to apply the latter to the former. This essential application knowledge comes from the organon of medicine, where the knowledge of medicine can be acquired from the materia medica. Materia medica is the beautiful building built on the strong edifice of organon. At the same time, one must not forget the other branch, that is repertory. As it is rightly mentioned that homeopathy is compared with a bird, but its body represented by the materia medica, wings by the organon, and the tail which gives the correct direction, that is repertory. So it is easily inferred that these 3 points branches of the homeopathy inseparable. Repertory is an aid to materia medica. When you find indicated medicine or medicines through repertorization, you should not be satisfied with it, but you must read the pathogenesis effect of medicine in the materia medica to see the other symptom, including those we have taken from the repertory work, are found in the same medicine, and get the confirmed medicine by comparing the symptom of the case. The remedy which comes through the repertorization is the best described in materia medica, but not in repertory. After that, when we do the prescription, so we can take help of the organon of medicine. For what? For potency selection, for dose selection, for repetition, for follow-up, and further detail. Tripod strand of the homeopathy, each one depend on another. They can't be independent. Repertory is an index to materia medica based on some philosophical background. That background is taken from the organon of the medicine. So ये क्या हो गया? Tripod. Materia medica is constructed based on some philosophical approach from the symptoms obtained from the provers according to the instruction of the organon trinity of the homeopathy. ये भी एक इनका relation है. In aphorism number 148, 5th edition, a medicine selected in this manner which has the power and tendency to produce symptom the most similar possible to the disease to be cured. Consequently, a similar artificial disease, given in a suitable dose, affects in its dynamic action on the morbidly deranged vital force of individual. Every physician treats the patient from the three-legged stool of homeopathy. These are the materia medica, organon, and the repertory. These tripod of the homeopathy that is given by Herring. The tripod name is given by Herring actually. These are the foundation of the homeopathy. रिपर्टरी इज नॉट गिव अस फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेडिसिन, तो हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि रिपर्टरी एक फाइनल टूल है मेडिसिन सिलेक्शन के लिए। जब हम रिपर्टराइजेशन करते हैं, हमारे पास रिजल्ट आता है, मेडिसिन के ग्रुप आते हैं, तो उस ग्रुप में से कुछ मेडिसिन निकाल कर हम उसको मटेरिया मेडिका में एज अ रेफरेंस देखते हैं। वहां पे हम देखते हैं कि कौन सी पिक्चर जो है हमारे टोटलिटी ऑफ द सिम्टम और हमारे केस के पिक्चर से मैच होती है। उसके बाद जब हम प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे आते हैं, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन हम प्रिस्क्रिप्शन प्रिपेयर करते हैं, जिसमें हम डोज को, पोटेंसी को, ससेप्टिबिलिटी को, पेशेंट के कितने बार रिपीटेशन करने हैं उसको एज पर द डिसीज फाइनलाइज करते हैं। फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द medicine is done by homeopathic materia medica and prescription dose potency repetition done by the organon. The topic is completed. रिलेशनशिप ऑफ द बैक्टीरिया मेडिका, रिपर्टरी एंड ऑर्गेनन, तीनों के तीनों जो है वो एक दूसरे के बिना अधूरे हैं। तीनों के तीनों जो है एक दूसरे के साथ अगर मिलकर काम करते हैं, तभी हम होम्योपैथिक का प्रिंसिपल सिमिलिया सिमिलीबस क्यूरेंटर उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं। My reference book is Essential of Repertorization by Shashikant Tiwari, Organon of Medicine, 5th edition, and Kant's lecture on homeopathy. These are my reference book. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly.